My name's Emily Warren. My role in this programme has been to support and monitor the 10 projects that form the Town Centre Investment Programme in Flintshire. That's been to help them make the absolute most they can with the shared prosperity funds that we've been given, and they certainly have. What's been achieved through the programme is remarkable and beyond expectations. Roughly 200 pieces of work have been undertaken, bringing more than £1.8 million of investment into Flintshire town centres. A great way to demonstrate the impact of that is through evaluation. Our evaluation project has two parts. The first is a traditional written evaluation, and the second is an evaluation film. The idea behind the film element was to bring the programme evaluation to life in a more accessible and engaging way. Our hope is that both evaluations help us to secure more regeneration funding for Flintshire and also celebrate and share what's been achieved with SPF funds over the last 2 years.
Hi there, my name is Oliver Allies. I'm Managing Director of Wave Hill. We are a social and economic research consultancy, and we have been appointed by Flintshire County Council to undertake an evaluation of their town centre investment programme. To help inform our evaluation, we've been doing a whole host of different activities. Obviously, there's a desk-based element around reviewing applications and documentation, but also primarily engaging with stakeholders, individuals that have been heavily involved in managing or delivering these projects, and of course those who have benefited from the support, recipients of grants, those that have been engaged in activities and events.
Hi, I'm Graham from Follow Films, and we have produced all the evaluation films for the Flintshire SPF project. Our job has been to produce films with a number of businesses, projects and individuals who have received funding and support from the scheme. The aim of the film has been to celebrate the success of the project and to show how the support has benefited the people involved. I'd say our main takeaway from this is just how positive everyone's been about it, not only about how the funding has helped them, but also about how fantastic the team have been and given support right from the application stage up until the end of their project. It's really clear that the scheme has had a massive impact on a huge number of people, and it's really enabled them to push forward with their businesses, and that can only be a good thing for Flintshire. And we really wish everyone who we've worked with over the past few months all the best.